how you can easily hide or unhide your location details on your REDnote profile. But before getting started, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing that you need to do is open up your REDnote app and make sure to log into your account. So once you're logged in, all you have to do is on the bottom right, you'll see the Me tab. Just tap on it to head over to your profile. And once you get to your profile section, if you want to make your location visible to anyone to make your profile more engaging and make it stand out, then in that case, you'll just have to tap on this profile option to edit your profile. Now, scroll down until you find your location settings and just tap on it. Once you get to your edit location settings, just tap on location and make sure to select the correct region or country. So all of these ones that have arrows in it will have these regions to choose from. So go ahead and choose from these regions and make sure to publicly display. So turn on this toggle. And once you do that, if you go back, it will automatically save your changes. Now just head over back to your profile, and as you can see, it will show you your location details on your profile. Now anyone that is looking for your location will be able to find it on your RedNote profile. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.